This 2026 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 197MB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corsicana, Texas, 75510 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Corsicana. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features a country linen interior, sleeps 8, Slideout, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, Murphy bed, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.